Here we got a 63 Corvette coupe. It's 327. Obviously 4-barrel. Looks like a stock motor. Looks like everything in here is stock. Stock manifolds. Even got stock radiator. You know, when you got a stock radiator, usually that's one of the first things they swap out. To put headers in a manifold and an electric fan with an aluminum radiator in it. But these things cool down fine. I'm not sure if that's that type of fan is stock to original, but it might be. Do not touch. Yeah, we ain't touch it. This is true original to the core. I always liked the radios like that when it went up and down like that. And you fit. You get your. Well, I guess they didn't have the grab bar in here. Did you notice that big glove box? And you got a lot of room back here too. See that? You know, there's a lot of room back here. I mean, there's a lot more room in these than they had the GMs and the MGs and the Triumphs and all that type of stuff. You notice your parking brake? It says it right there, man. Can't miss that sucker, huh? It's the kind you pull up and you twist it to release it, you know? And what a lot of people used to do is they used to put an extra light in the back, like 3 of them on each side. A lot of people used to do that kind of stuff, custom back then, way back when. There's your fuel filler, like a rally type of pop open gas cap. You can see the lights reflect in a bumper too. It almost looks like there's 4 lights on each side. And it's a split window.
That is friggin' incredible.
Too many of those around. Some guy didn't like that design. That's why they became rare. That's what it was. I don't know what the hell's wrong with it. Split window, 1 window, I don't know, whatever. I guess it's got a blind spot in it, maybe. It's just, but since somebody up there in management, GM, didn't like the split window, it became worth big bucks because there weren't as many of them produced. So, 63 Corvette split window. Riverside red, frame off restoration. 327, 300 horsepower, 4-speed, wide ratio. Oh, that's good. Personally don't like the close ratio. Posi traction, 370 gears.
It is not. It is not. I just have to.
Close ratio is a pain in the ass driving around it. Oh, it's got the sticker on it too. Damn, look at that.
I got the real plane.
Damn, 4,800. You figure 63, 4,800 bucks. You could buy a muscle car for under $3 grand in like 69, 70 years later. So this was a very expensive car. You know? But it was always worth money. That's the thing.